Bootstrap adds a number of helper classes, some of which you've already seen, that can be used wherever it seems to make sense in your code. The first is a close icon. This is just a style applied to the end times HTML entity and can be used to dismiss modals and alerts. There's also a caret, which you saw when we were creating drop-down buttons. This is a simple class that could just be thrown in like an icon. You can quickly float objects by using the pull left or pull right classes. Keep in mind that WordPress also uses align left and align right for the same thing. While you can just use pull left and right classes in your markup, you should probably add support for align left and align right in your CSS. You can center align a content block with the center block class. This class adds a display block and sets the left and right margins to auto, a trick that you probably do fairly often. A clearfix class is added that uses Nicholas Gallagher's micro clearfix, which makes use of the before and after pseudo classes. This can be used to clear floats without a lot of extra hassle. Clearfixes can be added to other containers, so you don't need to stick an empty clear div in between other divs to clear the floats properly. You can show and hide content as well by using the show, hidden, and SR only classes to toggle the visibility of elements. SR only can only be used to display helper text for screen readers that's otherwise hidden from view. Remember those hacks you used to use when you wanted to display an image for your site title, but you still wanted to have a heading in the HTML? So you would set it to position absolute and send it way off the screen on one side or another? Well, you don't have to do that anymore. In Bootstrap, you can just use the class textHide. Then you can replace the text with a background image in the same element. There are a bunch of responsive utility classes to help you out too. These make showing and hiding things on different screen sizes really easy. There's a bunch of them, but they all follow the same format established by the other classes that we've already talked about. They range from visible XS for elements visible on small devices to hidden LG for elements visible on all screens except large ones, 1200 pixels or wider. There are print classes that work the same as these visible and hidden classes too. They are just visible print and hidden print, and will show or hide things on the print version of the site as well. Because how many times have you wanted to add some text that displayed only on the print version of a page but not the actual site? It's something that's come up more than once for me.